In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Spotify Wrapped if it's not working on your device. So first of all, what you can do is come over to Spotify, and as you can see, Spotify Wrapped should be shown here. And if it's not shown here, what you can do is first of all head over to your settings. Once you come to settings, you will need to find apps, so scroll down and find apps. Once you find apps, you can now search for Spotify, and then you can now click on storage, and then you can clear cache. Once you clear cache, it might then show up on your Spotify account. If that doesn't work, what you can do is you can come all the way back, open up a browser of your choice, whether that's Google Chrome, Firefox, whichever you wish to use. You then open it up. Open it up, and then you will need to search for Spotify Wrapped. Once you search for Spotify Wrapped, scroll down a little bit here, and as you can see, there is an option now for 2021 Wrapped Spotify. And if you click on that, what it should do is it should take you straight to the Spotify Wrapped 2021 link within your account. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.